Have you ever pondered the immense power of our oceans and wondered if we could tap into it for our energy needs? Welcome to a journey exploring the tantalizing potential of harnessing renewable energy from our vast oceans. Our first stop is tidal energy. Picture this: underwater turbines, not unlike wind turbines, nestled in areas with strong tidal currents. These turbines are propelled by the gravitational dance between the Earth, Moon, and Sun, capturing the kinetic energy of the ebb and flow of the tides. Next, we dive into the realm of wave energy. Imagine devices called wave energy converters, or WECs for short. They may sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but they're very much part of our reality. From oscillating water columns to point absorbers and attenuators, these devices are designed to capture the energy from ocean waves. They convert the rhythmic up and down or back and forth motion of the waves into mechanical energy, which is then transformed into electricity. Venturing deeper, we encounter ocean thermal energy conversion systems, known as OTEC. These ingenious systems exploit the temperature difference between warm surface water and cold deep water to create power. Picture the warm surface water vaporizing a working fluid, which then drives a turbine attached to a generator. The cold deep water then condenses the vapor back into a liquid, completing the cycle. Moving on to a process called salinity gradient power, also known as blue energy or osmotic power. This fascinating method exploits the difference in salinity between freshwater and seawater. The flow of ions when these two bodies of water meet can be harnessed to generate electricity. Next, imagine underwater kites or tidal stream generators. These devices, similar to tidal turbines, capture kinetic energy from the flow of tidal currents. They use movable underwater structures to harness energy in the most efficient way. Now we turn to underwater turbines, designed to capture kinetic energy from consistent ocean currents. These turbines, deployed in areas of steady current flow, rotate to generate electricity. Imagine, too, solar panels mounted on floating platforms on the surface of the ocean. These floating solar farms generate electricity from sunlight, reducing the need for land use. Lastly, consider algae, a humble plant with a powerful potential. Certain types of algae can be cultivated in the ocean to produce biofuels, providing a renewable energy source and an alternative to traditional fossil fuels. While these methods of ocean energy harnessing hold great promise, it's crucial to remember that many are still in the experimental or early deployment stages. There are challenges to be faced, such as high installation costs, potential environmental impacts, and the need for effective grid integration before widespread adoption can be achieved. And so, we conclude our journey for today, having explored the immense potential our oceans hold for renewable energy. May this knowledge spur us on to innovative solutions and a more sustainable future.